Hey everybody, this painting is from video number 778 and I love it, and it's got a beautiful coating of resin on it, and I want to try and replicate it but on a round. So let's get started. Let me plug you up in here. Whoa. There we go. I did a pour with neon orange earlier. If you go to my Instagram page, I posted a sped up version on there. It's not on my YouTube channel. It's just on my Instagram, which is Osborne 76. So check that out for a sweet little short video. I made it for my daughter's boyfriend who loves orange. So what the colors were in that are Arteza pouring acrylics: neon purple, ultramarine blue, mid yellow, and neon pink. But I am using my white because, as I said, none of these pouring acrylics come with enough white. I need gallons of it. So, and that painting was a replica of, or trying to be, of a previous pour. So if you watch that video, you'll see the previous pour as well. And in that one, the colors ended up a little more vivid. Probably because I used the Arteza white for the background. So I think I have enough. I'm hoping just a little bit further. Got my white poured. I'm going to pop all these pesky air bubbles. Let's do purple next. I just didn't want the yellow next to the blue because I'll get a stronger green that way, and I don't want a strong green. I do want blue though. All right. Button. This is turning out too dark. Way too dark. tilt it. I want it to cover the whole thing. So each version of this turns out differently. But so far I'm liking this one. The paint started to dry a bit with the hairdryer, which is why it's tilting a little bit slower. Tilt it down the other way. I really like this. Very different. And this will of course be resined, because anytime I work on wood I always put resin on it. I just like the look. That is so cool. I'm going to torch it one last time. Let me wipe the paint off my fingers. Oh, I love it. Oh, it looks like there might be something. A hair. Look like a paintbrush hair. Bring you up closer. I'm really pleased with this. Doesn't look quite like that one, but I like it nonetheless. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.